Already we have finished the physical property, that means not the physical property, the classification, nomenclature, preparation of alcohols. Today I am going to discuss the property of alcohol. Property of alcohols. So it's divided into two parts. First is physical property and next is chemical property. Now what is this physical property? Two property we will discuss in this. One is boiling point, another is solubility. Now regarding the boiling point, what is boiling point? The temperature at which any substance starts to boil is called boiling point. First question, with the question I'll tell you or I'll make you understand the boiling point. Generally the question comes like this way. Compare the boiling point of the following compound. Of what are the compounds I'm writing? CH4, CH3Br, CH3OH. So which type of compound I have selected? One is methane, another is haloalkane, that is methyl bromide, another is methanol. So simple alkane, simple alkyl halide and simple alcohol I have chosen to compare their boiling points. Remember that which one will be showing the highest boiling point? CH3OH, and after that CH3Br, and next is CH4. Now I am going to tell you the reason. See, this compound is this and this two. These two compounds actually. These two compounds are polar in nature, whereas this is not a polar compound. Covalent compound. So obviously polar compound will show higher attractions. Therefore, they will show higher boiling point than any non-polar molecule. So we can understand these two are having the higher boiling point than methane. Because these molecules are having the positive and negative poles, you can tell, and therefore they are more attracted, they are more associated. Now what is the reason that alcohol show higher boiling point than the alkyl halide? Reason is alcohol can form hydrogen bond with another molecule of methanol, suppose. So I'm showing you, suppose a general alcohol I am writing here, ROH. So this O can form the hydrogen bond with another molecule of alcohol. Similarly, this hydrogen also can form hydrogen bond with the another molecule of alcohol. See, like this way the hydrogen bonds can be formed. So this is the another factor which makes the molecules more associated than this polar molecule only. So these both are polar molecule, but in this case the extra effect or the another effect is what? Hydrogen bonding. So these two factors which makes the molecules more associated, and the methanol or any alcohol compared to other compounds, they show higher boiling point than the other molecules. So we can understand, compare the boiling point between the alcohol and other covalent molecules, this type of organic molecule. We always see that the alcohol show higher boiling point due to the hydrogen bond which it can form with the other molecule of alcohol. Am I clear? Next, Another question. Compare the boiling point. Compare the boiling point of CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH. This is what? N-butanol. Next. CH3, CH, CH3, CH2OH. Next one. This one is isobutyl alcohol. Another one is CH3, CH3, CH3OH. This is tertiary butyl alcohol. So three compounds we are comparing. One is N-butanol, second is isobutyl alcohol, third is tertiary butyl alcohol. So actually this is primary alcohol, this is secondary, and this is third degree alcohol. If you have to compare the boiling point between primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol, then always remember that primary alcohol means they are all of almost similar molecular mass. Molecular mass is almost same. Molecular mass same almost. Then only always primary alcohol is having higher boiling point than secondary than tertiary. Why? Because in the primary alcohol, higher the surface area, higher is the boiling point. Okay, so molecules are attached with the another molecule in high space. That's why surface area high means their association or their touched with each other in the more space. Therefore, their boiling point is also higher than the other one. If the molecular mass are almost same of the molecules. So we can understand primary is having the higher surface area, and as the branches increases, surface area decreases. Higher the branches, surface area decreases, hence boiling point decreases. So in the boiling point, what are the two factors we have considered? First is what? See, if different type of compounds we have chosen, in which one is alcohol, but they are also having the similar molecular mass. Remember this term, similar molecular mass. Then always the alcohol show the highest boiling point. Why? Because the alcohol can form the hydrogen bond, and other molecules, if they are not able to form the hydrogen bond, obviously the alcohol will show the highest boiling point. And second type of question in the boiling point which comes, see the molecules all are alcohol here, but the comparison in between they are also having the similar molecular mass, but only the difference is what? They are having the branches. One is simple alcohol, another is secondary alcohol, another is tertiary alcohol, and we have seen that higher the branches, lower is the surface area, and lower is the surface area means what? The boiling point decreases. Am I clear? So in this case, primary alcohol is always showing the highest boiling point, then the secondary, and then the tertiary. So this is the main thing which we need to study in the boiling point.